Welcome to Puzzle back here on NGG. 6.5k in the balance. Let's get the juice going, guys. Make sure to check out my 45k leaderboard. My website gk68.gg. Dude, we had a crazy start last time, then we lost all the battles in a row and got clapped, so let's reverse it now. Let's juice up from the start and keep juicing. How about that? Only juice allowed, guys. Only juice up allowed. Come on. Only juice ups for the boys. Doing crazy mode today, dude. Doing crazy mode. Come on. Hopefully it won't be a bad decision. Here we go. Get them pulls in, Mr. Bots. You've been due, guys. Bots have been due, bro. I'm telling you. The bots have been due. They've been due. Okay. No one's really pulling so far, though. Okay, it's fine. It's 800, okay. Come on, rain spin here. Top. Oh, that sucks. Grim case could have juiced. Come on, need a rain spin here, Mr. Bots. No way, dude. Come on, dude. Okay, how much is that? Monkey coin, that's fine. Come on, bots. Come on, bots. Crazy mode's a fucking bitch, guys. Let me do an upgrader here. Watch this. 166 20x. I win this. Never mind. It's 3.6k. That's fine. That's fine. We're gonna go deep. Carnivore. Juicy. Juicy hasn't paid me once. It owes me juice. It owes me some juice. Come on. If we lose this, we do a three-way crazy mode. It's all going as planned. Come on. Come on now. Boat high case. No more crazy mode. Okay, good decision. No more crazy mode, dude. Crazy mode is the reason I got clapped, dude. I'm telling you. Come on, give us a juicer though. No, don't go down. Fire Serpent was 2,000 coins better. Oh, go down, Talon Knife. We take those. Good value. Good value. What's in this case? Okay, that's a 10% case. Shaken case, alright. We'll try more shaken cases if we win this. Come on. It's not really paying so far. There's no bueno payout. Okay, come on. Grim case. Grim case been doing spin. There we go. Give me the howl. Or a Dragon. I pulled a Dragon on the crazy mode last time. Give me. Okay, Cloak Fate. We take Cloak Fates. We take those. Oh boy. Come on, dude. Don't pull huge. He needs to pull the Huntsman Knife. If he pulls the... Oh boy, we lost. If he pulled the Huntsman Knife, we would have won, but we should have done crazy mode. Should have done crazy mode. Okay, 1.5k. Let's just select these cases. Hundo coin case. Big balls. We do a three-way crazy mode. Come on. Come on, brother. We miss. They pull. We're chilling. Come on. Come on now, brother. Come on. Okay. Would have preferred if someone pulled a nice little Dragon Lore here, but it's fine. Tripwire case. Okay. Still no pulls, come on. Spoils of War. Okay. It's not juicing so far. Come on, checkmate case, let them pull. Let him pull, go down. Should have gone down. This is a 5% case as well. Roost case. Okay, I took the lead here against this guy. Rainbot 13, Valhalla, pull, bro. Pull. Okay, that's a problem. Come on. Bot 13. Bot 13. Yeah, no one's pulling in this battle anyways, actually, so... I don't mind losing this one, I guess. Okay, Navaya, how much is this? You know what? Let me win. Let me win, sir. Well, that's fine, guys. Anyways, if you do want to play on here, on the include deposit, just type in GK68, get 5% depot bonus, I believe. Like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.